If you've ever seen those viral Instagram or TikTok accounts with AI influencers that look completely real and get thousands of views, you might think they require expensive software or advanced skills. But the truth is, you can actually create your own realistic AI influencer completely free. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process using a few powerful tools. So by the end, you'll know how to generate the influencer image, give it motion, and turn it into a realistic video that looks like a real person created it. The first thing we need is a source model image that our AI influencer will be based on. And for that, we'll use Pinterest, because it's one of the easiest places to find influencer-style images. Simply open Pinterest, search something like fashion influencer portrait, and you'll see thousands of images. Then choose a high-quality photo that clearly shows the face and body, because cleaner images usually produce better AI results. Download that image to your computer, and now we'll use that image to generate our own unique influencer using LowArt AI, which is the main tool for creating the model. When you open the LowArt AI website, you'll notice that it gives 30 free credits every day, which is more than enough for testing and generating multiple influencer images without paying anything. And once you're logged in, click the plus icon, then choose Image Generator. And here you'll upload the Pinterest image you just downloaded. After that, select the model Nano Banana Pro, which is one of the best models on the platform for generating realistic human images. Then change the resolution to 2K, so the final output looks sharp and professional. And set the aspect ratio to 3:4, because that format works best for influencer-style portraits and social media posts. And now we need to write the prompt that tells the AI how to recreate the model. The prompt usually describes the lighting, camera style, realism, and overall look, so the AI understands what kind of image you want. And once everything is ready, simply click Generate, wait a few seconds, and LowArt AI will create a brand new AI influencer image based on your reference photo, but with its own unique look, which means you now have a completely original influencer that you can use for content creation. But right now it's just a static image. And the next step is where things get really interesting, because we're going to give this influencer realistic motion. To do that, we need a motion reference video. And again, Pinterest works perfectly for this, because you can find short aesthetic clips or influencer reels very easily. So search something like aesthetic dance reel or model walking video, copy the video link, and download the clip to your computer using any Pinterest video downloader. Now that we have the video, we need to extract a frame from it. And for that, we'll use a simple tool called Frame Extractor. Frame Extractor, which allows us to take a single image frame from a video, so the AI understands the pose and body position. So open the Frame Extractor site, upload the video you downloaded, set the frame number to 1, click Extract, and download that frame image. This frame basically represents the body pose that our AI influencer will copy later. Now we go back again to LowArt AI, because we'll use it one more time to combine the influencer face with the pose from the video frame. So once again, click Image Generator, but this time upload 2 images, the AI influencer image we generated earlier and the frame image extracted from the video. And then write a prompt telling the AI that the person in image 2 should pose and dress like the person in image 1, meaning the body pose will come from the frame, but the face and identity will remain our influencer model. Then keep the resolution at 2K, the aspect ratio at 3:4, and click Create. And within a few seconds, you'll get a new image that perfectly combines both references. So now, the influencer has the exact pose needed to recreate the video motion. Once the image is ready, download it, because now we're going to animate it using one of the most interesting motion tools called AI, which allows images to follow the movement of a reference video. And to start, you simply sign in with your Google account, then go to API Market, scroll down until you find Kling Motion Control, and open it. Here you'll see a default image and video already loaded, but you should delete those and upload your own files instead. So first, upload the AI influencer image we created, and then upload the reference video we downloaded earlier from Pinterest. Remove the default prompt because we don't need extra instructions. Set the resolution to 720p, which is usually enough for social media videos, and then click Run. The system will start processing the files, and within a short time it will generate a video where your AI influencer copies the exact motion from the original video, which means if the reference video shows dancing or walking, your influencer will perform the same action. And you'll see how realistic the result looks. The The movements are smooth and the character looks like an actual influencer recording a reel. The reason this workflow works so well is because each tool is responsible for a different part of the process. The biggest advantage is that AI influencers don't require cameras, lighting setups, or models. You can generate content anytime, so if you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to generate your own AI influencer images, animate them using motion reference videos, and start creating unique content that looks surprisingly realistic, even though it's completely AI generated.